Here's some data that I took of the Z4. This is a warm-up session. It's sped up to about 300%. On the left graph, there is calculated boost, or at least that's what it's noted as. I kind of take that as manifold pressure, like a manifold absolute pressure. In the middle, there's the mass airflow rate, which is in grams per second. And on the right-hand graph, there is throttle position in percent. Now, the only confusing part about this information to me is why the manifold has a vacuum. Typically, an engine will have a significant vacuum in the intake manifold because the throttle body creates a restriction. But on this car, there isn't a throttle body per se because the N52 throttles with the intake valves by continuously varying the valve lift to throttle the engine. So theoretically, there should be near atmospheric pressure inside the manifold, and I understood the Valvetronic system was designed so that you would have near atmospheric pressure inside the manifold to improve efficiency and response and a bunch of other different things. So I'm just a little confused on why this is showing vacuum. But this also kind of makes sense because where else would the crankcase be getting its vacuum from? So this is, again, just an initial look at some of the data. I'm going to be diving into this a little bit deeper coming up here in the future. And hopefully I can get the PCV system sorted out so that it actually works properly and I don't disrupt the tune of the engine and don't disrupt the pressure inside the crankcase, because that is very important.